Are we doing this or are we done?
We're doing this.
What are you doing?
Making a tuna sound.
Why?
I don't know, I'm just making it instead.
Look at the camera and do that. Not that.
What?
What you just did to me. Like, yeah, do that to the camera.
I'm gonna show my tongue off. I'm gonna show my tongue off in my room. Get the camera closer. I'm gonna show
It's
them.
fine. It's fine.
Oh. Yeah! Now you try one. I don't
I'm
think
good.
you was. I mean say hi. No, I mean to the camera, to my room. That's what I meant.
I did.
But you need to say it nicely, because somebody won't like it to say just hi. Like that. You need to say just
You frustrate me so much. Do you know that?
fine, I'll be giddy.
No, keep your shirt on. You want me to tell Mom that you were stripping?
Yes.
Don't even add in that you were doing it for money.
Yes. I would.
Keep your shirt on.
Ow.
Boyd.
Keep it on.
Fine, I'll be giddy.
With his shirt on.
No. Look at what's tugging on my back.
What?
Someone tugging on my back.
I don't have anything to draw it with.
You might.
Thanks
Let's
for
not.
coughing.
I see you getting hurt.
No.
Yes.
Boyd.
Okay, I'll just give you. Hey, I'm so sorry! Where's that?
And I'm left.
Here's the
I think we might be done with this video.
Yeah.
I'm not done.
And of course he's not done. It's a beauty.
I want to show him my mouth.
You know, this isn't the kind of video they wanted. Just thought you might like to know that.
So we just won't send that video to him.
Yeah, let's do it.
Just go. Let go. Let go.
Tell me this
Let
is funny.
Go.
Wait. Want to do it in private with me?
No.
Okay, I'll just do it myself. Are you ready?
As long as it doesn't involve me, I'm happy.
Wait, I'm going to do it.
Wait, come here. Come here, boy. Come here.
What?
Brain sucker.
Fall down.
Okay, that's good enough.
No, let's pretend I'm just burying me in a hole.
Get up.
I'm alive! Break free! Break free! Break free! Break free!
Okay. we're nearing the end of the recording time.
Yeah.
And
I hope.
listen to my ring. I want that video.
Yeah.
Right?
What happened to telling them where you're at?
Oh, I forgot that part. I'll try again. Hi, we're at stupid park.
Boyd.
I'm kidding. No, we're at Weird Park. As some kids said.
Boyd.
Okay,
I'm kidding.
we're gonna be
It's
done.
Red.
We're going to be done.
I was all right with it. Let me do a camera. I want to send that to my ring. Don't think it's funny.
This is what I have to live with.